Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Glass Easy Glass 4, the front display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. You do want to make sure your device is off. This is going to be a super easy installation. If you've seen some of Whitestone Dome's other installation processes when it comes to these screen protectors, they could be a bit complicated sometimes, but they went ahead and gave us an easier way to do this. So let me go ahead and set this over to the side. I got the screen protector right here, and they also have a camera protector in the back as well. So we'll go and take a look at that. First thing we want to do, make sure you're in a dust-free environment, make sure your device is off, and let's go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead and clean this outside display right here. Again, this is only for the outside display. Let's clean it up with this little wet towelette that they give us here. There we go, that should be good. Let me set this over to the side, then we'll go ahead and take the dry towel, dry it up. Again, this should be a quick, easy process here. And I want to try to be quick to make sure no dust falls on my display, because I am not in a completely dust-free environment. So I'm going to do the best I can here. And I'm also doing this behind camera, so it's not the easiest. We'll go ahead and go over it with the dust absorbing sticker. Make sure there is no dust. As I mentioned, you don't want any air bubbles to show. And that's what this dust will do if it happens to get caught underneath this screen protector. That is looking good. All right, let's go and take the screen protector out itself. And here we are. So let me turn this to the side to make it a little bit easier for me. And then what we're simply gonna do is just peel this bottom piece off, and it's going to unveil the adhesive. Make sure it is facing down. Now we do have the camera hole up top, which is kind of going to be like a guide for us. So let me go ahead and do this. Let's see if I could do this. Again, I'm doing this behind camera, so just go easy on me. Let's see, it's not the easiest. All right, I think that should do it right there. You can kind of move it around before you press down on it. There it is. And then you just let the adhesive do its thing. Look at that. As you can see, it is spreading. It's probably not the easiest in this lighting, but the adhesive is spreading around. You can kind of see the bubble right there. So I'm just gonna let it sit and let it do its thing. And it is all done. Look at that. Easy, easy, easy. I just let it sit there, let it do its thing. It actually lined up really good for doing this behind the camera. Let me see, do I have a case right here? Yes, I have the Samsung case right here. So let's just see if it's compatible with the top part of this case. Look at that. So they give us just enough gap all the way around, so it will be compatible with cases. So you don't have to worry about these cases, you know, pushing up the screen protector. Look at that. Not looking bad at all. Looking really, really good. Let me go ahead and power on the device so we can see how well it responds when touching this front display. Now, while I'm waiting for this to power on, let me go ahead and flip it upside down here. Let's throw this camera on, the camera protector on really quick. Should be nice and simple. Just make sure, you know, it's clean. It's not gonna go on the camera lenses itself. It's going to go around them. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this part off right here. And then we'll go ahead and just line it up. Again, this one's just eyeballing it. Look at that, and then you just press down, boom. Look at that, you get to change the color of it and give it some pretty good protection. It actually has a bit of a lift over the camera lenses. So if you happen to accidentally drop it like that, if you're not using a case, it should protect those camera lenses. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful, and it fits on there perfectly. So the phone is now powered on. Go ahead and unlock it. Look at it, it seems to be responding well already. Let me go ahead and let it set up here. See, it'll probably lag a little bit because it's, oh, actually, look at that. Look at that. Responds really, really well. And it feels good. It actually doesn't even feel like I have a screen protector on there. So there it is, the Whitestone Dome Glass Easy Glass Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. As you can see, it was a very easy process installing this on here. Just set it on there and let it do its thing, and you are done. And then of course we have the camera protector in the back as well. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you do find yourself interested in this screen protector right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.